All right, guys. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Okay, I'm new on YouTube. I'm new. Okay, and I'm trading live so that you guys will actually see the strategy that I'm currently trading. Okay, I need this to see this pure and clean. You can see the chart is moving downtrend. Okay, downtrend. This is on the daily time frame. Okay, you can see where the market have been reacting from. The market have been falling, and then during this period lately, it will just rise from 2026. I think it will rise and then fall, rise and then fall. It will just consolidating in one place. So I said I should do a proper analysis on USD Swift France so that you guys will see okay. And if currently I'm correct, at least you guys will know that yeah, there's a trader who is like this, who is like that, who sees and know what he's doing. Okay, you can see that I'm currently trading this live. Okay, live. So don't forget to engage, like, subscribe, and follow. Share my page to others to see. Okay, I'm just a new trader out there. I just love you. Thank you so much. Now, you can see this is what I'm trying to do, okay? I'm trying to pick points where the market is currently reacting from. I want to pick points where you actually see where the market have been coming from. So this is all you guys have to see in USD Swift. Okay, I know the pair don't have much more currency, but you can take this trade and actually at least hit a lot without risking much money. For those of you who don't like risking money, this is the pairs that you need to trade. Pairs, major pairs like Euro USD, USD Swift. Okay, that's the pair you need to look. So I'm trying to pinpoint where the market is reacting from. Since the market have been falling, so if the market is not falling, you have a thought, you have an idea what the market is currently doing. Just do it to let me know in the comment section. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. I love you. You can see where this market have been to. You can see this order block. The market have been reacting from an order block. This order block here now that you see me drawing that line, and then the market is trying to fall again. If I am to draw a trend line liquidity, it is still falling. If I'm to use an order block, it is still falling. So definitely the market is currently falling without any hesitation. But I don't love drawing line. But because of you guys, I'll just have to show you some few things on how the market is doing, what the market is currently doing right now. Okay. So now let me just show you guys what the market is doing using the toolbox so that at least you guys will see. We see, don't worry. Okay. Just look at where the market is falling. Let me show you guys. Thank you. Firstly, what you need to do in any trade, whatever you are planning to do when doing a trade, is to map out the support and resistance because they are the key elements where the markets will definitely touch. You can see the market have been reacting from this support that turning into resistance, this support turning into resistance. Okay, you can see the market have been reacting from there, and there is still a valid order block there, which the market have already filled the downside. But I don't really trust resistance that much. So I'll either let the market leave me, but my analysis is correct, or I will let it go up to the order block, which is unmitigated, and then tap me in. But that is not what I'm talking about first. Firstly, just map out all the support and resistance zone. That is the major thing you need to do at the first point. Then secondly, you need to know this psychology level. I cannot tell you that, okay, this is not a top-down analysis for beginners, but you might be willing to engage in it, so you can just do it to at least try to look at everything that I'm doing. Okay, if you find this interesting, you can support and say, please, I'm a beginner, you can teach me. Can you do it to teach me? And I'm free to do that. I just want my page to grow. Okay, thank you so much. So first of all, pinpoint where the market is currently doing, where the market is currently going, what the market is actually doing at that main point. Don't think at anything else. Don't think at let me start drawing other blog, break of structure, break of structure. What you are watching in YouTube and other video, yes, it's actually correct, but it is not presentable in the market the moment you need it, because what they are using somehow is bar chart, bar replay. You cannot compare bar replay with forward replay. Okay, so firstly, just pinpoint what the market is currently doing at that point. Then secondly, what you need to do now is to know where the market is actually moving at the main point, that main specific point, which is this opener that I'm drawing, this bluish thing now, this bullish, the bluish part that is cracking. That is where you're actually going to think. So secondly, now let's all just move down to our medium time frame. Okay, the medium time frame is the time frame that I normally use to at least design the chart, which is the break of structure, edify it so that you guys will know currently that yes, this is why the market is moving down or up. The daily will just give you a big perspective, but the medium will tell you how the map is presentably. Like recently, what the map is currently doing. Okay, sorry, my network is disturbing. Okay, so have mercy. Okay, please don't. The network is so bad. Just bear with me. Okay, I have not gotten too far to at least start using TV, so I'm just using my phone to show you guys. So bear with me at this point. Okay, bear with me, bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Tell me what pair you want me to do next. I'm new in this page. Okay, I'm trying to grow my follower. Okay, I'm new, so tell me what you love most for me to view. Is it gold, euro, USD? And I promise to give you my top down analysis, my perfect structure. I call it the perfect structure. Okay, yes, no professional structure is 100% correct, but at least this will give you exactly what you're looking for. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, now the market is now moving fine. So now we are back. Okay, we are back. So I know this is so hard, but now let me describe why this market is currently moving downtrend, as you might see. Okay, you might be asking, the market is up or down, is up or down, but definitely it is a downtrend. Okay, firstly, the market is reacting from an order block which have been mitigated, which is the first resistance level that I draw the up, that two tap that you're seeing now. The two tap. Wait, let me draw it for you. This two tap now that is here. Are you seeing it? Yeah, yeah, that side. So thank you so much. That two tap that you're seeing, that is where the market have been reacting from. And after that, the market is trying to go down. You can see the market is moving downtrend. So you don't need to compare. So after this point that the market is moving downtrend, this point now that I'm drawing, this point, I know you're seeing it. You can see that the market currently move from after this point, it is move it first of all move from this. Look at this side now. If you draw a trend line, if you're a trend line trader, you see that this market have been falling in the trend line. Okay, I don't need to draw it. I don't love drawing lines in my chart. Okay, but this is it. So from there, the market broke structure in that trend line. After the trend, that the last trend line, the down of the last trend line, like the down before the up of the last trend line. So just draw it as a break of structure. Wait, let me just let you know something. Yeah, have you seen it? Yeah, this part now, that is where your break of structure is. I don't love drawing line, but for your sake, I'll do it. Okay, this is a break of structure. Okay, you can see now it's a break of structure. But look, after it mitigated, after the market went up and mitigate that other block, the market fell down. So what you'll be looking at now is this low, currently this low, and then we'll be looking at this high, that same high now that I drew, that I show you about that resistance level, that line. Let me draw it for you guys, okay, so that you guys will see it. Thank you so much. But this is it. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Okay, don't forget, don't mind the noise. These are my lodge mate. Okay, I'm seeing school, so this is currently the this thing now, what the market is doing. Okay, so but I don't love drawing line. So let's just move inside this thing now that the market is doing. What it is called is called inner range. I call it the minor range. Some people call it swing. Okay, they call it swing structure and substructure. They call it substructure and swing structure. But me, I do call it internal or medium, which is the pullbacks. Okay. Inside the pullbacks, you see most traders calling it sub. The pullback is normally called sub. Why the distance is normally called the swing. Some call it correction and impulsive, but I don't call it that. I just use the normal English that all of us know, medium and minor. Okay, the medium time frame, and what are they calling the max time frame, or and the medium? They have medium, they have max, they have minor. Okay, the big and the small. So I call it big and small. Let me just use correction. So this liner that I'm telling you about, okay, it is the impulse. Okay, I send the impulse. So I need you to see it. This is called the correction phase. After this large impulse, it is called the correction phase. This line that I see inside this box. So anything happening around this box, I just call it consolidation, because the market have not break down to give me a break of structure, or break high to give me a break of structure. Hope you're watching this, okay? So as you're watching, I will just give you the reason why this is actually called a this thing. Okay, the market have been reacting from this level, which definitely is the level I told you about. But after this level, the market started doing something, okay, that I needed to see. After the market fell down, it started doing something. The market started rising, okay, but the rising is not definitely strong as the rising. You need to know. So definitely, so this is what the market did. After it fell down, it went up. You can see the up here now. It went up. Are you seeing it? And then it came down, which is higher high, higher low, and then higher high again, higher low, and then higher high, higher low, and then higher high, higher low, and then higher high, higher low, which is now form another double top. This is what is called double top if you're a trend line trader or support and resistance, but I'm not that, okay. And then the market did a change of character. If you are a supporter and a supply and demand trader, change of character, okay. And now it started falling, which is break structure again. Now this, it is reacting from a higher high, sorry, a lower high, trying to form another lower high and then a lower low. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. This is not for beginner, please. You might be confused, but please just do it to engage. Tell me your where you are feeling lost. Okay, I'll correct you. Let me just clean this and redo it for you so that you see. Okay, but I'll not start drawing break or structure, all those things, but I know it. Okay, after that break or structure that I have seen, there's a swing low and a swing high, which is where we are currently facing at. But inside that swing low and a swing high, there are three other blocks. Three other block. Market is reacting from one. Market is not reacting from the two. There is a buy order block and a sell order block. The sell is a two. The sell order block are two. But the buy is one order block, which might be the target you might be targeting. Okay. So let me just show you perspective that you might view and maybe you will just understand what I'm talking about. Okay. So this, just look at this. Look at this now. Okay, now look at this. This is the first distance. Okay, this is the first. Wait, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is where the market now is currently reacting from. After this break of structure, you can see it. This is the break of structure that I'm talking about. The last break of structure before the double top. This is the last break of structure. Okay, then this now is a change of character. I'm so tired doing this. It's my first time doing this, okay? Please, in case you see this video, don't forget to do your very best, okay? I'll be very happy, very proud. I'll take my time. I don't have any other thing to do because I'm doing any strategy. So I need to look for money to at least start growing accounts. My account, scaling it to 7 figures. Now 100 figures is not sweet in me. 1,000 figures at least. I'm trying to reach 1,000 because I'm not the type that I'm not this I'm not the scalp traders that just you know that sound now. I normally take my time, maybe 2 trade a day, but I'm not making much profit. So I need money to do it. So your support in this my page will help me. I'm not asking for your support that you should just look me and say, hey, bro, I will give you money for this. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not looking for that. Okay. I'll just take out my time, explain so that at least your engagement, please. I know there are thousands of people that will love Forex. You can do well. Your finger is not that hard. Okay. I love you so much. So now this is the first order block that I'm telling you about. Have you seen the first order block that I drew? That is the first order block. Then this now is for the second order block. This one now. I'm so tired, bro. This is the second order block that I'm drawing right now that you are currently seeing. Me and you are currently seeing. This is the order block. Market will definitely, even if market will not do it now, you can just mark it and leave it and come back. You see market will react from it. Either market to use it as a breaker block or order block. You can ask me questions and I'll answer you, okay? After that, this is the second order block. This is the sell side order block. That one is the buy side order block, okay? This down one now that you're seeing, this down one is the buy side order block. The buy side order block. That when market reacts, market will buy. Now, inside the buy side order block, if you look at this side that I drew a resistance level, a support level that turned into resistance, which is currently a resistance level, market is reacting from order blocks. Market tapped the first order block, came down, tapped the second order block, came down, and now market is reacting from the third order block. Are you seeing it? This order block. Now market is reacting from the third one, this third one. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I know you are seeing this. Okay, I'm so tired. But market is reacting for this third order block. And then inside the third order block, the market came down here. And then the market came down. After it came down, the market started reacting from this order block after it came down, which is what the market is currently doing now. It is reacting from an order block, trying to go down more. So in my anticipation, if I want to currently tell you what the price is actually doing, what I'm waiting for is for the market to go up. Okay, come down, go up again, come down, give me a valid change of character for me to enter on the lower time frame, which is the 15 minute time frame. But it have not done that. And my target will be at this demand zone now, or demand order block. This demand order block or demand zone. That's where I'm targeting because I'm a swing trader. I can leave my trade to play for days, months, if I'm in good profit. That is how I do trade. I don't just enter kuku kuku kuku. I take my time. That is why my strategy, I do take my time so that I know why it will not hit SL. You understand? But if the market is currently going to do this now, this thing that you're seeing now, if the market is going to react from this order block and then fall down, means reacting from this resistance again, making the resistance a third time strong resistance, then I will not take it because I don't love taking trade at resistance level. But the resistance level, for sure, some people it might be good, sha. I don't know, it might be good. Resistance are always good, but I do see that as liquidity since there's an order block and an FVG there for the market to fill. So I will not take it. That is me. Because of it, I will not take it. So don't forget to love this thing. If you are finding it difficult, you can tell me the pair you want me to do. Any pair, I can analyze it. I will analyze it, break it for you so that you understand it. Okay, this is currently what the market is going to do now. But if you want to ask me more further question about the inner side, how the market will be reacting, what the market will be currently doing now, that when should I take a trade, I'm free. I cannot give you access to my channel now because I'm still growing it and the channel is not just for free. Okay, so I don't want you guys to feel like I'm taking your money. Thank you so much and God bless you.